Before we start this video, don't forget I have all of the freebies listed in the description below. So go down there, get your freebies while they are available. I'm only doing a certain number of copies. So if it's something you're interested in, be sure to go to the comments, select your freebies, and download them. Hi everybody, it's Angelica with emergingyou. Before we get started, I want a disclaimer real quick. I am an enrolled agent, but I am not your enrolled agent. So anything in this video I talk about is for education or training purposes only. I'm not giving you advice. Get with your tax professional or your attorney. So today's topic of conversation is going to be refundable credits. How many of you guys really understand what a refundable credit is? Okay. So a refundable credit gives you a refund even if you have a tax liability. So this means you get more money in your pocket, not just reducing your tax bill. And I'm going to give you just a few refundable credits, give you an example of them just so you guys can kind of do your research and see what you may or may not qualify for. Because a lot of these credits people miss. The most popular one is the earned income tax credit. That is for low to moderate income families, but a lot of people miss it because they don't know that they qualify. You don't have to have a child or a dependent to qualify. There are some income requirements and some other qualifications, which I will put in the video right after this so that you guys got something to reference to. The next one is the child tax credit. That is partially refundable. This year is up to $2,000. If you look at your 1040 form, you will see something called ACTC, Additional Child Tax Credit. That amount is your refundable amount. Yes, there are some rules or requirements for you to even qualify for this, and I'll put that in the video right here. Next one. I know a lot of people don't know they qualify for the American Opportunity Tax Credit. So if you go to school and it's your first 4 years in college, it is very possible that you qualify for it. Up to 40% of it can be refundable. So you can still get some additional money back. Now, I'm going to go ahead and put the requirements after this line. Premium tax credit is another one that a lot of people miss. This helps cover the cost of insurance for the marketplace, and it can be applied in advance or while you claim your taxes. And this is mainly for the lower income tax families, but there are some additional requirements. I'll put it after this. All right. Savers tax credit or Savers credit. Savers credit. Partially refundable in some cases. This is for low income taxpayers that's contributing to a retirement account. It's usually non-refundable, but in some cases it can be refundable. So each credit that I listed in my video, I did not go in depth. I did not give you the full requirement or the qualifications for each credit. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to drop links in the comment for each of the credits so that you can go to the website, do your due diligence, research, and find out what information you can. I'm thinking about doing a video for each credit, but I don't know if that's something you guys would be interested in. So if it is, drop a comment below. Let me know if you want me to go back and make a full video on all of the credits the IRS has to offer with the qualifications. Now remember though, if I do that, the qualifications do change year to year. So something we got to think about. But if you're interested in it, drop a comment below and I will definitely consider it. In the meantime, if you guys have any tax questions, regarding credits or anything else, drop them below. In order to get these tax credits, you have to file a return. I understand you may not meet the standard deduction amount, or may not even be required to file. But if you're looking to get some of these tax credits back, you have to file a return. Now, refundable credits can be claimed within 3 years from the date. So if you missed one last year, you can still amend your taxes and claim that credit to get your refund. So double check your returns. Make sure you guys are getting all of the credits that you deserve. Make sure you are maxing out your return. Now, I do want to emphasize on the accuracy and make sure you have the proper documentation. In order to get these tax credits, you have to file a return. Now, you may not be required because you may not meet the standard deduction, but if you are trying to claim these credits to get a refund, you have to file a return. Now, refundable credits can be claimed up to 3 years. So if for any reason these credits may have been missed on a previous return, you could amend your taxes to get that credit. I do want to stress this enough. When you are claiming the earned income tax credit and child tax credit, it is very, 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 very important that you have the proper documentation. Okay? You have to have the proper documentation and notes if you're a tax preparer. You got to keep everything. Got to do your due diligence with these returns. All right, so that wraps up the refundable tax credit part. Be sure to like and subscribe for the video. I will go ahead and do some more videos. I think the next one is going to be non-refundable tax credits. If you guys have any questions, drop them below. And don't forget, there's tons of freebies in the link below. Go to the link below. Access your freebies while they are there. Until then, I'll see you in the next video.